If I can't keep my head held high enough, I'll just be love and watch the smiles come, bring my spirits up. There's some shit I like to fix, but I still know that I'm blessed.
Look at this cute little thing someone abandoned. It's actually a working refrigerator. We've tested it, we've cleaned it. I put these in there last night to make sure, and they're ice cold. So we might use this on vacation for Bobby's chocolates and whatever else we can put in there. And it has a little handle, and so yeah, it's adorable. We looked it up. They cost $60 new. Someone just abandoned it in our neighborhood, so we grabbed it. Whoop whoop.
If I can't keep my head held high enough, I'll just be love and watch the smiles come.
Thanks for watching.
Bring my spirits up.
Don't forget to stop and smell the flowers.
There's some shit I like to fix, but I still know that I'm blessed.